What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Errl RC / Errl Reviews, whichever channel this ends up being uploaded onto. My name is Alvin. I'm going to be doing my second Loot Crate unboxing. This Loot Crate is the free 4th of July crate that I got for doing the 4th of July special back when they had it. So I'm very excited to open this up. I have no idea what the theme of this crate is or what's going to be inside at all, which is pretty cool. It's a complete mystery, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it and open it up. Ooh, Archer. That's cool. Archer's awesome. That's a pretty cool graphic on the back. I like that. Let's go ahead and take out this shirt. You know I like the shirts. What is this? Taco Surprise. Oh my god, that looks awesome. Oh, it's a freaking Deadpool shirt. Heck yeah. That is awesome. Let me try to pull that back so that you guys can see that. Let me pull it back a little bit farther. That is just amazing. I am so in love with that shirt right there. Heck yeah. Sorry if I scream in the camera, but that is awesome. I am so excited for that shirt. That is beyond cool. What is this right here? Archer, classic Archer figure. Well, I usually don't want to open this thing up, but you know what? We're going to open it up because I like my little figurines and whatnot. I don't have too many of them, but I definitely like my little figurines. So let's go ahead and open this up. Adult collectible, not a toy. It says ages 17 plus. That's a little scary. Oh, that's cool. I think that's everything in there. Oh my gosh, that is freaking sweet. Even has a little stand and everything. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Archer drinking a nice beer, pointing his finger for a cab. That's awesome. And put that off to the side. I assume he's got little holes on his feet. Yep. Can I move his feet farther apart? Oh no, they should fit. You can move them farther apart. Here we go. That is awesome. Heck yeah. That is super sweet. I'm definitely gonna keep that in my collection. That is awesome. Thank you again to Loot Crate. Go ahead and put that over there. Let's see, what else do we got here? Oh, a wallet. I think. Yeah, I think it's a wallet. And it's a banana. Not sure if that banana is from an Archer episode, because I haven't watched all the Archer episodes, but that's from something. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh my gosh. What? That is freaking awesome. A Big Lebowski loot pen. That is freaking cool, of the dude. That's freaking amazing. Heck yeah. That is freaking sweet. Sorry. Had to clear my throat. What is this? Ooh, Punisher logo decal. That is cool. It's a sticker that you can pull off and put on. Heck yeah. Cool. That's awesome. What else we got in here? Oh, we got something in here. Oh, I think it's a little poster. Oh, that is cool. It's a Deadpool 2 poster, May 18th. So this is an older crate. I assume that's why it was free and they were giving it away. That is awesome. I actually own Deadpool 2 on Blu-ray, so that's really cool. Man, that is sweet. I like that. I'm gonna have to put that up on the wall somewhere. Let's see what else is in here. This is just the thing with the mega crate and all that. There's a little coupon code for you guys to use if you guys want to use it. For if you want to get the Loot Gaming. That's not the regular Loot Crate, that's something else. So you can use the code for that if you're into that. Oh yeah, see, this is from May, so it was quite a few months ago. That shirt is awesome. I'm definitely excited for that t-shirt. Yeah, the exclusive Archer figure. That's awesome. Oh, Arrested Development. Okay, yeah, the banana stand, the frozen banana stand. Alright, yeah. That's cool. Heck yeah. His dudeness, or his duder, or his El Duderino. I love that. That's so cool. Yeah, a little mini poster and the Punisher decal. That's awesome. Thank you very much to Loot Crate for the awesome free crate. I'm very excited to be getting my next crate, hopefully in the next week or two, because that's for the month of August. The crate that's behind this one is my July crate, and this is the free one from July as well, for the 4th of July special. So I'm waiting for my third one, which is the August one. I can't remember what the theme is for the August one either, so I'm excited for that one. So yeah, thank you very much to Loot Crate, and thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and give it a big old thumbs up, as it's very much appreciated. And yeah, until next time, this has either been Errl RC or Errl Reviews, depending on which of my channels that I put it on. I may even just put it on both. But yeah, my name is Alvin. Peace out, you guys. Peace out.